Hi guys. So, if you're wondering why I'm like wrapped up in a blanket, it's 'cause it's really cold in my room, and there's a storm coming, which makes it really cold. Oh, and so I'm like wrapped up as tight as I can in this blanket, 'cause that's how cold it is. So, I worked today and tomorrow and Thursday. I had the day off, and then Friday and Saturday I work. They added Saturday on Monday, and then I don't work Sunday. So, yeah. And today we were fairly busy. Um, but then there were times where it was really slow, and then the times it was really busy because we only have two computers open, and because one of them one of our computers sucks. It broke, and so there's only two computers. And then one of the two computers wasn't working for me, so I was mainly on one. And I have a friend who just texted me, who I haven't talked to in a long time. So, yeah. I don't know, we might hang out tomorrow, but I think she's back in Lincoln. I don't know, but I'll try and make tomorrow camera vlog, and hopefully it looks good. I'm still working out a few kinks in the camera, so, and it's gonna be HD, and so I hope it turns out good, and I don't know if it will or not. I'll be editing it, so yeah. Alright. So thanks for watching. That's today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, please subscribe so you get to watch a daily video. I'm making a video every day for a year. And as of, I think it's like January 30th will be a year. January 30th or January 31st. Let me check. It's on like page 4. I have 5 pages. Oh, it's actually on page 5. Did I think I start making the daily videos? Yep, as of January 30th, I will have made a video every day for a year. So, I still got a long ways to go. But it will be over 365 videos, so, yeah. It's okay, it's cool. You guys get extra videos and stuff sometimes. If I feel up to making a bonus vlog or like a tutorial video or a challenge video. I've made a couple of those, but then I usually just make those the vlog because then they're better than the actual vlog. And so yeah, okay. So thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Good night. Goodbye. Make sure you like thumbs up this video. And good night.